Welcome to Blackacre Community Garden. I am Susan Ballerstedt, your garden manager, and I am here to give you a tip of the day. One thing that makes it easier when you're doing your garden, so many things are marked, plant them 12 inches apart or 24 inches apart or 18 inches apart, and we don't always have a tape measure that we want to carry around. So I take my favorite tool and I take a Sharpie and I pull out my tape measure, and I have this, and so right here on the end I mark 12 inches and then 24 inches, 36 inches, and then 18 is another common inch. I might even write an 18 there and a 24 here just to remind me, though I really do know what 18. And then every inch for those who want to do little inch marks. Let's see, where is this? Which one is so there's 11, 10, 9, there's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And that is my tip of the day. Thank you and have a blessed day.